Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cordless ratchet wrench that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SKIL Lithium-Ion Power Wrench. This cordless wrench from SKIL is surprisingly long-lasting. With little maintenance, this tool can last for 5 to 7 years easily. The most convenient feature of this ratchet wrench is its built-in battery and uniquely designed charger. You can leave your wrench on the cradle charger overnight without the risk of overcharging. The manufacturer claimed as the built-in battery can hold a charge up to 18 months maximum. The users also agreed upon the effectiveness of the 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery. But the problem is, once the battery dies, you have to purchase the entire wrench. The only battery is not sold for ratchet of this model. Forward, backward rotation switch, portability, durability, and high torque are the other features that make this machine suitable for daily use. This package includes a ton of accessories, hence, the price is high but reasonable. Moving on at number 4, we have the Milwaukee Ratchet. This model of ratchet wrench is the most popular cordless ratchet wrench one could ever had. It is powerful, high-end and handy, but it's on a tight budget. This tool is equipped with a 12-volt battery-powered motor to deliver maximum force to loosen the toughest nuts and bolts placed in tight spaces. The attached trigger has speed settings and the 3/4-inch head comes with a built-in LED to illuminate your workplace. These are the features that are absent even in most of the pricey ratchet wrenches. The motor comes with overload protection to suit heavy-duty operations. Besides, the charging state of the battery is notified, a useful advantage to reduce downtime of the tool's service. Reinforced steel made slender body of this device is shockproof and easy to carry in your tool belt. The manufacturer provides an extended warranty for this machine. All you need is to buy a battery and charger separately to run this device because those are not included with this package. At number 3, we have the ACDelco Ratchet Wrench Kit. This ratchet from ACDelco maximizes users' control over its performance. It has an electric brake switch with variable speed control to control its powerful torque and set the direction of rotation. It has a forward, reverse switch. This machine is designed to use professionally. It easily reaches tight spaces. Besides, its lightweight, balanced body and comfortable grip let you work for hours without feeling fatigued. This tool comes with the necessary accessories. So, its price is not unreasonable. According to current users, the provided batteries give out very quickly. Other than this, this ratchet wrench is the right choice if you earn your living using such products. At number 2, we have the KIMO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench. The tool, battery, and charger complete this package. You can avail everything you need to operate the tool on an economical budget. This wrench is powerful enough to meet most of your wrenching needs. From the variable speed settings, you can set your preferred one according to job demand. The fuel gauge lets you know the remaining charge of the battery by LED light. Another LED is placed at the front to let you work in poorly lit spaces. The soft and anti-slip grip makes this ratchet wrench perfect to use for long hours. But I do not recommend this tool for professionals. This kit is convenient for occasional use and is an excellent addition for DIYers, but it may give out quickly if overused. Besides, the power it delivers may not suffice a professional's need. And finally at number 1, we have the Milwaukee Cordless Ratchet. Milwaukee's tool has gained popularity among professionals due to the budget-friendly price tag, plenty of power, and convenient features. A 12-volt motor powers this tool to generate high torque and rotation to loosen and tighten screws, nuts, and bolts. The slim head reaches the toughest spots, and the LED lights up the darkest workplaces to accomplish the tasks. This ratchet wrench has got all the conventional features of other pricey tools, including a forward-backward switch, onboard fuel gauge, and variable speeds. RedLink Intelligence is the unique feature that protects the device from overheating due to the overuse of the battery. This ratchet operates on M12 red lithium battery, which is highly efficient to charge quickly and goes a long way. You also need to buy a charger along with the battery for this tool. The tool and battery are both backed by an extended warranty by the manufacturers. I suggest using the device with caution because it does not last long if not properly maintained. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.